Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create a room and join it with your friends to video chat. So open up Instagram, wait for it to load, and head over to your messages right here. Once you've done that, in the middle you'll see it says rooms. So usually you can create a room just by clicking on it and clicking create a room. But if you click on this little icon here, the little video old school camera, it pretty much does the same thing. So as you can see, when I clicked it, it says new video chat, and from here you need to select which people you want to start the video chat with. So they have to be people, how do I say this, actual people, not pages, because some have video chats blocked, for example. So I want to start with Lionel Messi on Instagram, and I click start afterwards. It will give me video chat failed, of course, right? But if you click it with your friends, you won't have any problem. And that's pretty much it. All you have to do is just select them. So that's it. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good one.